I have been so fortunate that I've worked with Aidan O'Neill and other junior counsel for many years on public law cases, and the culmination has been the past 2 years. I have never had as fast a moving litigation as the prorogation litigation. I have never had to change positions or have counsel change positions within hours of the last position being put down in writing or affidavits being prepared, because it was a constantly moving feast. Most cases don't move factually in any different a position often, but here we were literally hour by hour, dependent on what was being put into the public domain by Mr. Johnson. We had to adapt and deal with that, and it just goes to show that the idea for these cases started actually in this room, with us sitting around the table talking about it in what will be deemed by many people to be a small firm in UK standards, but it's but we know what we're doing. We know how to focus. We're a team, and a fantastic team in here, and we can make the law in a way that will affect constitutional law for decades. It's the biggest. It makes me quite excited, and sometimes quite emotional that we have been part of influencing constitutional law forever. And that gives me a tingle to know that you've been part of that, to listen to the European Court of Justice coming out with that, but to sit in the Supreme Court when Lady Hale gave her judgment. Actually, I've just got tingles down my spine again now with that. The inception of both cases started here. And I just go, wow, because if somebody had asked me 30 years ago as a junior solicitor, would I be doing these kind of cases, I would have gone, not a chance. But I suppose if you love what you're doing and you work hard, there is just no substitute for working hard and grafting, then you can do it.